And now, let's begin the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
Match 86 underway. First shots going up from the Blue Alliance. That's 11-3-29.
Ice Robotics!
And they're joined by their partners in the deep field. That's 14-1-47.
High Voltage Coach Bananas!
Now rolling through the far field, looking to get some more shots up. It's 17-1-06.
Plantek!
And they're joined by their partners holding in the near launch zone. 24-3-58.
Ragnarok!
Final shots going up off Ice Robotics as Autonomous expires.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. Three, 2, 1.
78-29 will then be the Blue Alliance lead. Already Blue clearing out their classifier, making sure they have space on their ramp to store more artifacts. If those artifacts can fully classify down, that is able to give them a bonus scoring ability. As such, the Blue Alliance still retaining that lead. The Red Alliance firing up artifacts of their own in that near field. That's 24-3-58 Ragnarok. They're backed up from the far by 17-106 Plantek, firing with a high arc, going 2 for 3 on that volley. Minute 27 to go. Blue Alliance leading 135-34 with now 38 artifacts put up into the classifier, put up into the goal. Looking at this traffic flow, it seems like it's a pretty common close far strategy, as we've been seeing a lot today. Ice Robotics nailing some far shots for the Blue Alliance, continually cycling back and forth from those loading zones, firing them straight on into the goal. Their partner in the near field, High Voltage Couch Bananas, lining up with their flywheels going, pushing through one at a time. First a green, now they've got 2 more purples left, but they're getting into a bit of a tussle for space with Ragnarok on the Red Alliance. Ragnarok ultimately yielding, now opening up the gate, loading up artifacts and rolling away. Turret aimed high. 1 goes up, doesn't quite stay in the goal though, as do 2 and 3 going up into the air. 40 seconds to go. Blue Alliance leads 214-47. Continuing to ratchet up. Blue Alliance 2 artifacts shy of that final ranking point. Looks like Ice got the boost for the goal RP. Blue Alliance will lock up some bonus no matter what else happens here in a match 86. Red Alliance still holding at 47 points. Now the whistle for endgame. 17 seconds to go. Red Alliance still whizzing around the field. Artifacts aimed high. Ragnarok's turret aimed at the goal. Some of those do stay in. Their alliance partner from the far field, Plantek, drops them off. Looks like Blue going for a partial and a full. Red doing the same as time expires in match 86.
Blue Alliance! Blue Alliance! 299 points to 140! Ice Robotics still on first place!